The water test strips that come with the outdoor wood furnace test both the pH and molybdate levels of the water. To obtain a system water sample, open the valve on the sight gauge and bend it to drain about a quart of water from the tube before collecting the sample. Use caution as the water in the sight gauge may be hot. Carefully collect a sample of the system water and close the valve when finished. Dip a test strip in the water sample for 1 second and shake off excess liquid. The decal on the test strip bottle identifies the pH and molybdate test pads. Compare the moly test pad to the color chart on the bottle within 10 seconds. The moly level must be 350 parts per million or more. At about 30 seconds, compare the pH test pad to the color chart. The pH of the treated water should be between 8.0 and 9.5. See the owner's manual or the online support center for more information.